former A series. This one got modded a few years after the Passengers did. Well, that was subtle. Alright. They didn't change the cab at all. Except maybe the wall. Oh, maybe they did.
Skybridge.
Modern American fare.
I had to wake it up a little bit.
The Liberty Tavern. That's one of those places that's changed names 30 million times, but it's still the same shitty food from the microwave. £2,000.
Line up on the Skybridge, see what's in the parking garage?
Yeah, sure, might as well. Well, actually, we'll actually be closer to the parking garage at the next place we film.
Oh, okay.
The parking garage is massive.
All right.
It's weird. So the elevators are more close to the Embassy Suites.